Check this out, boys. Another lokithor. The lokithor JP400. The world's most compact jump starter with air compressor. Comes with CONNECTMAX Technology. Detects the impedance of your car and adjusts accordingly. This will jump. 8.5 liter gas engine, 6.5 liter diesel. Oh, this thing's cute. Comes with 15 inches of jumper cables and 19 inches of air hose.
That's what she said.
A little air accessory pack and a USB-A to USB-C, which can also be used as an output to charge your accessories. The JP400 has a 1500 amp with a 2500 amp peak starting current. 300 lumen flashlight. 8 to 150 PSI setting. The JP400 has a 29.6 watt hour battery, and this unit weighs in at 1 pound 11 ounces. Let's plug it in and charge it up. Shows wattage charging. Should take 2 hours to charge if it's dead. Looks like we peaked at 15 watts charging. Here's the specifications. The battery life is over 1500 charging cycles. And lokithor comes with a 12-month warranty. It's fully charged. The air pump section has bar with a car symbol, PSI with a motorcycle symbol, and PSI with a bicycle symbol. A sport ball setting. And then you have direct setting for bar or PSI. Of course, you set this to what you want it to be. Hold the pump down. And that's it. Let's pump this tire up to 25 pounds. Little tire. It's at 0 now, so let's see what it does. I have this old tractor battery that's pretty dead. Only has a little over 1 volt. So let's see if this will pick that up and start boosting automatic. Oh yeah, it does. See what it's doing right there. Shows you the battery voltage there. This is going to simulate me hitting a starter. It was a little bit too much, see? We can start over again. Do your best to let the battery try to get back up. As you can see, it's charging the battery up. So I'll disconnect this lead. So if there's 0 battery voltage in your battery, it won't start this unit. To force it, you hold this mode button for a few seconds. And it'll override the sensing function. But now, it doesn't have the Reverse-Polarity Protection or any of that when you do it that way. And it puts it in full boost mode right there. So now I'm gonna hit it like we're hitting a starter. See the difference? You smell that burning. So that's a pretty awesome feature to have. Then that turns it back off. Then you have to disconnect it. Connect it back up. It'll go back into auto mode. See, now the battery's over boosted. Lokithor makes an excellent quality unit. Packed with features you don't normally find with these jump packs. Now let's check out the portable power supply section of this. Fast charge. And it's doing 11 watts. So that's working good. It's a pretty handy unit. And it's small enough you can kind of carry it around. Good for a motorcycle even. Camping, you got your flashlight, you got your little backup charger for your stuff on USB. Jump a dead battery, fill up a flat tire, get yourself a little patch kit and plug kit. Looks like it's got a little dimmer there too, huh? So I love these things. I'll never use jumper cables again. And this is on sale right now for like $84.99. Makes a great gift. Vin Cheezel approved. Links down below. Thanks for watching.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.